Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to let you know the difference between on-page and off-page SEO. First, I want to talk about SEO, and before that, I really would like to let you know one thing. I'm not much interested in showing you the graphics, but I want to talk only about the point which will make you to understand the topic very clearly. Alright, that is my job. Now first, I want to talk about SEO. What is the purpose of SEO? The purpose of SEO is to keep our website on top of the Google search engine results page. In the Google, when someone search for wedding photography, the click and capture studio should come onto the top. That is the motive of the SEO. When someone search for model photography, our job from the click and capture studio is to make our website to come onto the top of the Google search engine results page. And we have written one of the blog, right? Let me click on the blog, and we have written the blog about South Indian bridal reception look, so that when it comes to the SEO in the blog, which means when someone search for South Indian reception look related to bridal, this particular blog should come onto the top of the search engine results page, and that is the main motive for the SEO, right? Now quickly I want to navigate to Notepad. So first thing what you have understand about the SEO is, if we do a proper SEO, our website, our pages or the blog will come onto the top of the Google search engine results page. It is very much clear. Now first we will talk about what is on-page SEO. Now here I want to take the copy of on-page and then I want to paste it right here. On-page SEO. What does it mean? Whenever you see the term on-page, imagine that whatever that we do on the website, it is called on-page SEO. Now what do we do on the website? I quickly would like to open the blog, and inside the blog what do? We write the content. When I say content, we keep the images. And how are these images related to SEO? We keep the alt text in the backend of the image, right? Which means we are explaining the Google bot what is this particular image is about. It is called on-page SEO. And I want to scroll down a little bit, and here we are seeing the content. The content is all about the keywords, right? We have to use the focus key phrase multiple times. South Indian bridal reception look. So Google will understand when someone search for South Indian bridal reception look, it is to keep this particular blog onto the top of the search engine results page. And also not just the content or the images, even we have to keep the internal links. When I scroll down a little bit, here we do see the button explore wedding photography. The button is on the blog, so that when I click on explore wedding photography, it will take me internally to our website click and capture studio wedding photography page. Alright, now quickly I would like to come back to the blog, and then final thing, we have to keep the meta title and then the meta description. These are the 5 important elements for a good on-page SEO, which will be done inside the website. And if you really don't know what do I mean by meta description and meta title, I have already did the videos on meta title and description, so that you can open my digital marketing playlist on Edurself YouTube channel and you can find the videos on them. Now quickly I would like to open the notepad, and in the notepad we have covered what is SEO, we understand what is SEO, and then we understand what is on-page SEO, and the final thing I would like to discuss is off-page SEO. What does it mean? So when it comes to off-page SEO, it means whatever the SEO that we do outside the website click and capture studio, it is called off-page SEO. Now very first thing when it comes to off-page SEO, we have to think about the backlinks. We all know, right, what are backlinks? Now there are hundreds and thousands of other websites other than clickandcapturestudio.com which are related to maybe wedding photography, model photography, product photography, or something related to the business that we are doing. Now on their websites, if they write any blog, if they keep any links that are related to click and capture studio, we can call it as backlink, which means they are referring click and capture studio for some reason. Now it is considered as an off-page SEO. It is happening outside the click and capture studio website. The activity is being done by other website people. And the second thing about the off-page SEO is to write the blogs on Instagram and Facebook. When we write the blog on Facebook, and when we keep the link right above the blog, and when people click on that link, they will redirect to the clickandcapturestudio.com. So this activity is specially being done on the Facebook, and which is outside the clickandcapturestudio.com. It is one of the off-page SEO. And when it comes to Instagram, maybe we can create a post, we can write some content. We all know, right, Instagram do not allow the links to be worked. So what we have to do, we have to mention in the blog that if you want to see the wedding photography images or maybe the product photography images, the link is in the bio, so that they will visit the profile, they will click on the link which is in the bio, and then they will come to the click and capture studio. So these are the three important things that we can describe the off-page SEO. Now finally, I want to conclude one thing. When it comes to on-page SEO, we are completely focusing on the website structure, the content, images, internal links, meta title and description. Based on the keywords, when someone search for the appropriate keyword, Google will show our website on top of the Google search engine results page. This is one of the SEO. And then when it comes to off-page SEO, when multiple website people on their blogs, if they are keeping the links which can be redirected to the clickandcapturestudio.com, to our website, Google will understand about the authority that we have, because a lot of websites are referring clickandcapturestudio.com. Google will think that a lot of websites referring Click and Capture Studio, so it is one of the genuine website, and when someone searches for anything related to their business, we have to show it on the Google search engine results page, and that is what called off-page SEO. And when it comes to on-page SEO, it is completely in our hands. We can completely control what we can do in the on-page SEO. We can control the content, we can modify it. But when it comes to off-page SEO, since the backlinks belongs to other websites, we do not have the control on the backlinks. It will be in the hands of the third party, other website people. I hope you have clearly understand what is SEO, what is on-page SEO, and what is off-page SEO. And if you have any questions about this particular topic, I want you to comment right below this video, and I will go through your comments and I will answer each and every one of your questions. And if you are new to my channel and would like to learn the digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to open Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist digital marketing. There you can find the digital marketing classes right from the very basics, and I have did more than hundreds of videos related to digital marketing, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.